Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube, and today I have a fun new video for us. I'm trying out a new wholesale company. Many of you know that I've been interested in buying wholesale clothing for my reselling business. I'm a part-time reseller and I sell clothes on eBay and Poshmark. And lately, especially during COVID, with it being harder to get out thrifting, I've been ordering a lot online for my reselling business, and I've been doing a lot of research about how to get some great brands in my Poshmark closet and eBay store, some new with tag stuff, especially for Q4, with people doing their holiday shopping, hopefully with us online, trying to get some new with tag stuff in my store. So this is a new to me wholesale company. It's called BackStock. I'm just learning about them. BackStock is different in that you buy a membership, a yearly or monthly membership that allows you to shop on their site. And I wanted to try it out because they have a lot of my favorite brand, which is Free People. Check out this video where I talk a lot about buying and getting Free People clothing, that brand, which I love, wholesale, like ways to get good deals on it. And I talk about some of the pros and cons of wholesale orders. So this is a haul. And as I do the haul, I'm going to maybe pop up some stock photos on the screen, because when I unbox this, I don't know what it's going to look like coming right out of the box. So come learn along with me. Let's do a review of this BackStock order and see whether this is a company me or you are possibly interested in ordering from in the future. Okay, I'm so glad they included my invoice here so I can tell you what I paid for things. The most expensive item on here was $27. It's a two-piece Free People outfit set. Can't wait to see that. And the least expensive was $13 for an Eileen Fisher item. I got mostly Free People because I want it for myself, and if it doesn't work for me, I know I can flip it on Poshmark pretty darn easily. That's a brand that sells great there. So, and it looks like everything's coming individually wrapped. So I'll pull it out for us, but I'll make sure to put the stock photos up so you can see what it really looks like. And I can use those stock photos when I go to list it on eBay and Poshmark and sell it. This one is the Free People Tessa two-piece set in ivory in a size medium. So one of the things that I'm doing, oh my God, this is so beautiful. So it says $198. This is the top. It's like a white ivory lace tube top with a matching skirt. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so beautiful. Gosh, this is so beautiful. Look at asymmetrical hemline. It's just the quality on it feels really great. It's got a tie for around the waist. Really just gorgeous. But what I was about to say is that one of the things I'm doing before I purchase these items individually is that I'm looking to see how saturated the market is on Poshmark or eBay, like how many of this Tessa two-piece suit are up there, because if there's hundreds up there and there's a lot of competition, personally, I might not want to buy that unless it's something I want for myself to wear and then I think I'm going to resell it. So I didn't see a ton of these on there. They are on there and they're going for a lot, but I did not see that the market was totally oversaturated. Okay, this next one is the Between the Lines sweater in a size extra small. It's one of the things to look out for. I'm going to give tips and tricks of what I'm learning about buying wholesale. One of the things is that often what these wholesale companies get are really small sizes. Like the shoes I'm interested in are all in a size 5, so I passed. A lot of extra small. But with Free People, I'm sorry, these bags are going to be noisy, right? With Free People, it's so oversized. So this one retailed for $108. I just love the color combo on this. Oh gosh, this is great. This is like a cropped sweater. And then look at the shoulder detail with the pleating and a balloon sleeve. Oh, I just love it. I love this olive green and then almost like a lavender color mixed in. This is a really sweet piece. So let me tell you what I paid for this one. And this one I paid $17 for new with tag, free people. Now, if I think it's a piece that I'm going to wear first, I'm willing to pay a little bit more and then resell it. Look at this. These are so fun. Oh, these are the Just Float On Flare in mustard plaid. Wait till you see the stock photo of these. They're so good. Oh my God, these are just crazy. These retailed for $108. They're in mustard plaid and they're a size 32. So I was really glad. A 32 is like a 10, 12. Look at these. But look at the flare leg. I mean, an absolutely enormous flare on these. What fun colors. These like 60s, 70s retro, super high waist, fitted across the waist and hips, and then going out to a huge flare are really, really popular. So so far as I'm reviewing this company for myself, I like the way they did the packaging. That it shipped pretty quickly, everything. I don't see anything with flaws, and everything does have the original tags on it. So that's good to know. And shout out to my friend Ruth, who's the one who messaged me on Instagram and said, hey Quemby, I think you should try this company called BackStock. I've been using it and I really like it. I love that about our reselling community here on YouTube, especially on Friday nights. I do a live show called Live at 5, and a lot of the same resellers show up and we talk, we encourage each other, we let each other know about great deals or things we're trying. It's a really fantastic community. So come to one of those lives on Friday night, meet some other resellers, and join us. For those pants, I paid $14, so I think that's pretty good. Okay, this isn't all free people. Let me see what else. Now this one looks like it's kind of coming out of the bag a little bit here. That's okay, as long as it's in great shape. Now, this piece is a piece that I already know it has a saturated market. I'm watching other resellers open their wholesale boxes and everybody's getting this top. I wanted this for me. And note, the tag is cut on this one. So, you know, it's not like a perfect item. If I sold it, I would have to say new with tags, but the tag is cut. This is a size medium. And this one is called the Free People Pacific Dawn Drawstring Plaid Shirt, and I paid $16 for this one, but I love it and I wanted it for myself. So it's super cute. I'll put up the stock photo. I know it's a little hard to see when I'm just holding it here, but really tons of gorgeous fun Free People details on that one.
Hello! You should probably leave a like on this video. Every like equals a shrimp pillow. 1 like equals 1 shrimp pillow. 2,000 likes equals 2,000 shrimp pillows.
Got some jeans here. These are Levi's, and I got them because they were a high-rise skinny, so a really current style. And if I remember correctly, they were pretty cheap, $10. $10 for new tags. Levi's Sculpt. They retailed for $98. And these are the super high-rise skinny in a 27, so it wasn't like a totally tiny size. Look at that great high-rise on those. Really great dark wash and just a super high-rise skinny jean. And guess what, friends? Levi's are selling great for me again. I mean, I used to not pick them up, but now if they're the right fade and wash, if they're a high-rise or a mom jean, I'm gonna pick them up. These are another pair of really fun pants. These ones are the Free People Keep It Real flare pants in the color mango, size small, and I paid $14. These look so fun. I wouldn't mind shipping in these bags with the actual name on it, but there's not a way to like open them up and reseal them easily. Look at these, they're so fun. They feel like a sweater knit, like a lightweight sweater knit. And they're just like a stretchy pull-on super flare pant. These seem like they would be so comfortable. And these are a small and they retailed for $78. Those are so comfy looking. What a fun color and style on those. Okay, this is a Free People dress, and I think I was able to get this one in a large. This is the Count Me In trapeze dress in a size large, and I paid $14. Maybe I can save some of these bags. Hold on, I know it's noisy. Okay, this one retailed for $88, And this is Free People Intimately, just another one of Free People's many lines. Ooh, this is so cute. Look at this. Look at that lace front panel. And then it's just almost like a slip dress with a really beautiful back on it. Great colors. And I was so excited to get a size large. They did not have a lot of big sizes to offer. Now this one I'm excited to see because I bought this even though it had no picture. Now with this one there was no photo at all, but I bought it because it was new with tags Eileen Fisher for $13. I was like, sure. It just said purple cowl sweater or something. So, ooh, nice. It's a size large. It retailed for $128. It's a cowl neck, a purple cowl neck, super stretchy tunic top. That will do so well. Now, I would have bought a lot more Eileen Fisher, but stuff on the site goes fast. They are out of stock in a lot. So people are used to using the site and coming on and getting things really quickly when they come out. So they did not have many Eileen Fisher items for sale, but it's something I'm going to keep my eye out on in the future. I would say that I'm super happy. I think I got a pretty good deal. It's more expensive than when I do thrift store shopping, obviously, or a Thredup mystery box, but I got to hand select these items. They're all new with tags. It's a pretty user-friendly, easy site, and it shipped pretty quick, and I'm really happy with what I got. The only thing that I would note is that this top had the cut tag, and some people might care about that if they're buying it like for a gift, but for me, I don't care at all. So I like to give the information about different companies or different ways that I'm buying things and let you make the decision. So this was BackStock. You could go over there and check them out and see what you think. I'm really happy with what I got. I'd love your feedback. Have you tried this or other wholesale companies? I've tried a lot of other wholesale companies, and I have boxes, unboxings up on my channel from Jomar, from B&G Trading. I have a variety of different ways that I source inventory for my reselling business, and I share all about it on the channel. So I'd love to hear what you guys think. How do you think I did in terms of prices and these pieces? I like this because I can hand select the pieces. I'm not just getting a mystery box of things. I know what I'm getting. I know what size, and that feels a little safer for me than right now ordering like a big pallet of stuff or from one of these companies where it's a complete mystery box. But let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next video, friends. Thanks, bye.